Hi everyone, it's Cece Newman here with Hooks to Hooks Crochet, and today we will be doing a tutorial on how to make a long foundation chain without twisting. You'll begin by making a slip knot and chaining about 15 chains. Then what I'd like you to do is lay your work down on a flat surface, loosen up the loop that's on your hook and remove your hook. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way back to the very first chain that we made. And I'll zoom in so that you can see better. So each chain makes a V shape. So the V, part of the V that's closest to our tummy is the one we're going to put our hook under and then through. So we'll just do that. Okay, so we'll make sure I keep our work flat. And I'll zoom back out so you can see the rest. So now what I like to do is I like to take my left index finger and just hold this down, and then I take my right hand, cross it over my left, and bring the hook back around to this first loop, or to the last loop that should be on the hook. And we're just going to insert that and then pull to tighten it again. And then you just want to tuck the chain one loop down the shaft and just put it out of the way, and then all you need to do is just continue chaining as you were before, and you'll notice it won't twist on you as it would if you didn't put it through the first chain. So if you're working in the round, you would chain the desired number of chains that you need and then simply join with a slip stitch. And there you have your foundation chain for crocheting in the round. If you're just doing a long afghan, you won't join with a slip stitch. You'll just continue chaining until you have the desired number of chains that you need. Then just pull everything off, and you see that you have a really nice straight chain. So you just put your hook back in and then continue with your first row. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe, and be sure to follow me on Facebook at Hooks to Hooks Crochet Group, on Twitter at Hooks2Hooks2, and on Instagram at Hooks to Hooks. Thanks for watching.